Hi, hello guys, welcome to the next code. Let's see how to install WP-CLI in Windows. WP-CLI stands for WordPress Command Line Interface. It's basically a command line interface for managing a WordPress. So this tutorial will be very helpful for command line lovers. So go to Google and type WP-CLI, then just click on first link and here find a text Windows. Then you will come to this place. Here you can see alternative installation methods. Just click on it. Then you will see you are now the wordpress.org. Over here on the right menu, just click on installing Windows. Then here you can see how to install a command line in Windows. You can also install it by Composer, a command line tool for creating projects and all. You can also install by that. You can check it out this link if you are interested. Otherwise this method is very simple and very effective. uh, before you do anything, you need to make sure you have PHP installed and in your path, so that you can execute it globally. Like here I can show you I have PHP in my path. Yeah, if I type PHP and -v, which means version, then I can see the version, which means I have installed PHP via XAMPP. Here you can see a PHP. I have copied this path, and then here on Windows properties, in advanced system settings, in advanced tab, in environment variables, I have added it into a path. You can see you can add multiple paths by separated by semicolon. So here you can see my PHP. Yeah, see XAMPP then PHP, which means you can use this library globally in your computer. So like I showed you in command line, PHP is working. So download this wp-cli.far file. To save time, I have already downloaded this. Okay, here you can see. Yeah, so just copy this file, then wherever you want to install this wp-cli, just go to that folder. I want to install in C, so I'm here and just click create a new folder called wp-cli to easily identify it, obviously, and go inside the folder and paste your file. Then here create a new text file and name it as wp.bat. Yeah, this is executable in command prompt. Okay, so now come to website, then copy this text. uh, okay, let's copy this text and paste this text into this file which we have created. And here you can see PHP is executing this file, basically this fire file, and the path is right, you can see. Now just close this window. Then if you want to check whether it's working or not, you can right click here by holding shift button. Then you will see an extra option called command window. Then type wp info. Okay. Okay, the command is wrong. Actually, there are two hyphens. Okay, here you can say this is showing which PHP library we are using and everything, which means the WPCL is working properly. Now, suppose I want to use this library over here. You will see this error if you will use it. So, to make it globally, we need to add this path into environment variables. So in here you can see a small code which nothing but set the path of WPCLI into the environment variable, and just copy that code and paste it in command line, then enter. This is saying the data being saved is truncated, and also saying the specified value was saved. So to check, just go to properties of my computer, then click on advanced system setting, then click on advanced tab. Over here you can see environment variable, and you can see path. Double click on it, and here you can see okay, it's not added here. To see whether it's added or not, let's run it on desktop. WP hyphen hyphen info, it's not added. Yeah, so we will add it manually. Okay, just copy this path, and if the path variable is not present, you can create it by clicking on name, then just okay, just paste it here to see which is wrong. Okay, now this looks fine. Click on okay. Okay, now again check whether it's working or not. Now I am in desktop. Okay, see. Okay, so you can say this is working. So command line WordPress means WPCL is very powerful tool for handling and managing WordPress. And to see the commands, you can check on website in the command section. Yeah, here you can see there are various commands to handle a WordPress, which you can learn by going to the website. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you want tutorial like this, you can subscribe to my channel. mm, yeah, that's it. Thank you.